In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if your Samsung TV keeps restarting. So if your TV keeps turning itself off and turning itself back on, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is power cycling your television. So to do this, what we need to do is go and turn off the TV like so. And once your TV is turned off, we can come over to the main power supply. And we're just going to unplug the main power cord from the television. So I'm going to unplug this like so, and you need to leave this unplugged for around about 20 seconds. Now, whilst you're waiting 20 seconds, come over to the physical television and you need to locate the power button underneath the Samsung logo. So if you just put your finger below the Samsung logo, you should feel a button. What you need to do is just go and hold that button down for around about 10 seconds, and this will drain any residual power left in your television. So once you've done all of that, you can then go and replug your main power supply back into the wall socket, and you can try turning on your television and check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, another thing to try is checking the HDMI or any external connections going to the television. Sometimes a faulty cable or another external device that you have connected to your television, this is what could be causing the TV to restart. So just go and disconnect any of these external cables, and if that does solve the issue, then obviously you know one of your devices is causing the issue and not the TV itself. If it's still not working, the final solution is just to go and reset your television back to its original settings. Now, you can do this by first clicking on the home button on your TV remote. You can then scroll over on the left hand side and you'll have this option here for settings. Go and click on this. You can then use the arrow keys to scroll down to general. From the general tab, scroll across to the right and scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on reset. Now, if you have a pin code set up on your television, then you'll just need to go and enter this to perform this factory reset. Otherwise, you can try the digits 0000 and you can just proceed to resetting your television. Now, just bear in mind that this will restore your television back to its original settings. So any saved applications or data on your television, this will be permanently removed. So if you are happy to do this, then you can just go ahead, and hopefully now that should have solved the restarting issue.